Clean booth is a kind of air purification equipment that can provide a local high clean environment. It is mainly composed of box, fan, primary efficiency air filter, damping layer, lamps, and so on. Dust-free clean booth provided by Suzhou Pharma Machinery. Adopts the aluminum profile base frame structure, which has high strength, lightweight, and good load-bearing performance. Tight connection, flexible and convenient disassembly. It can be used alone or in combination. Easy to move, can be installed universal wheel. Because it has the advantages of quick effect, simple installation, low operating cost, short construction period, etc. It is widely used in dust-free workshops, small and medium-sized clean rooms.